Hello my friends, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have some fun things to share with you today because I have a little bit of this and a little bit of that and something over there too. It's exciting. Are you ready? Those of you that are into our creative decks, which I mean pretty much everybody is at this point, right? Because we're having so much fun, and you know I'm loving my creative decks. I just added a whole bunch of new digital files for the creative decks for the Bible verses. Yay! So you can print those off. I think they're like 99 cents. Then you get your clip discount. It's really awesome. But lots and lots of options, right? Well, I have a new die for the creative decks. It is this fun scallop, which I really love, but you know what? I added some more to this. I added these two other dies, and I'm gonna show them to you right now because I really want you to see. So what if you had something that you wanted to be creative decks, but you really didn't want to like use the other one where you cut the notches in on the item? Or what if you had like an invitation or a business card that somebody gave you that you wanted to keep and you couldn't do the little notches because maybe it would cut off their email address or something on their business card? Well, you are going to use one of these two dies. You're going to use this one or this one. You're going to die cut it out of cardstock, and then you are going to add it, you're just going to glue it to the bottom of your item. So you can die cut it like this from the other die set, or die cut this little extra piece and glue it to that business card, glue it to that photo, glue it to whatever you want to not cut into. And now, boom, this can go in your creative decks. I know, awesome, right? And of course you're getting that scallop, which is really fun. Okay, and I have samples, don't worry. Now, I'm also releasing, because remember, I had some samples in here. Let me just find them really quick. I had these fun dies, remember, that are already out. They're already released. They're on our website. These fun letters that are the little stencils. They actually die cut. You can use the positive or the negative, but we also kind of needed stamps to go with it. So I finally said, you know what? I need stamps. I can't do it without stamps. So here we go, is a stamp set for the creative decks or everyday cards. This is not just for creative decks, this is for anything, right? It's a nice, good block. Yes, I did give you extra letters when possible. 2 A's, 2 E's, 2 I's, 2 P's, so you could say happy, right? 2 S's. I also got some punctuation on there and numbers as well. Here, this one's called the Block Alpha for creative decks or anything, right? Okay, but wait, there's more, because those of you that are waiting for little peeps, we got a new one, and this one has been probably one of the most requested. Those of you that are gonna be excited, it is a raccoon. So cute, with a little outfit, a little dress-up outfit with a cute little top hat. Let's go out tonight. I'm all dressed up and ready to party. Congratulations. Hello there. Thank you for being my partner in crime, because you know raccoons are always getting into trouble. So much fun. Yes, guess what, my friends? There are dies that match. Someday you're going to need me to tell you about my raccoon story, so remind me to do that on the next No Makeup Monday. So fun. Okay, so look at that. So adorable. You know I love my little peeps. Now we have some more. Also, my friends, the little peeps go great in the airplane and some other items coming soon. Just saying. Okay, last but not least for today, we have the horizontal heart panel for your Slimline dies, which is really fun. You can also cut this up and use it separately for other dies. But let me just show you really quick the fun samples I have of this one. Look at this in monotone. Isn't that gorgeous? You totally can do it in one color, and it is so beautiful. Here we have it with the raspberry with the white behind it, which I absolutely love. Black. Isn't that beautiful, you guys? Isn't that beautiful? I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Here's a cute one, Love Life. I love it. You can add those little yellow hearts in there separate. Here's a cute one with our little elephants. Love you a ton. Isn't that cute? Now, let's look at some creative deck samples. If you are not into the creative decks, you guys are missing out. You gotta start getting into it. They're so much fun. Here's an example of our little gingerbread guys. Now, you could die cut the little notches on here. Remember, on one of the, I think it's the add-on creative decks, there is a die that'll just die cut the notches. But you know what? If you did it on these little guys, they'd be a little short, right? And you don't really want to die cut into those. So now you can add those little pieces at the bottom, and now that's going to pop them up in your Creative Decks box or on the Heidi Swap spinner. And now they're going to have a little bit more height, more substance. Here's a cute one, Pocket Full of Hugs, little one. So cute. Here's a cute one, February 14th, Kiss Me. I love it. Here's a cute one. This is for colors. So if you wanted to do different colors, you could show the different colors for the Stamps of Life or any other colors that you have. So cute. And I love that scallop. Don't you love that scallop at the top? It's just so different. Here's a cute one that you might have seen the sneak peek for the fairy tale set. Look at how cute that is, decorated on both sides. Or Be Happy. Look how cute that is. On the back, you can stamp your name, birthday, anniversaries, notes. Love it, love it. Here's a cute one. Hello, again, name, anniversary, notes. So fun because you know what? You could share these with people. You could do like a little swap, like, oh, you make 20 of one and then you share them with all 20 other people and you're gonna get different ones. So you're gonna get their information and they're gonna get your information, which is so cute. Here's another cute one, January 1st with that fun alphabet, you guys. Quite a few of these. Oh, there's that alphabet again. I forgot to point out alphabet again. Alphabet again. You're going to use that alphabet and not just for creative decks. Now, here's some more of that alphabet. Look at that. Hello, cutie. Again, on a card, right? So awesome. Oh, there's our cute little fox. I'm sorry, raccoon. I called him a fox. Raccoon. Isn't he adorable? And you can make him a boy and a girl if you want. Here's a cute little raccoon all dressed and ready to go on that beautiful tag. Here's a cute one, just die cut. Just die cut. Whoa. I know, isn't that awesome? Love it. Hello there. Oh, this one's ready for a Valentine's party. Let's go out tonight. And here's a cute one. Thanks for being my partner in crime. Now, club members, you get a 15 to 20% discount off of everything I just showed. Guess what, my friends? If it is on flash sale, a lot of items, the first 24 hours they're on our website are on flash sale. If you're a club member and you get a flash sale item, not only do you get the flash sale price, you also get your discount on top of that. So it's like double discounts, which is really awesome, right? And you're getting club points on top of that. So really it's kind of like triple discounts, right? It's so exciting. Go check out our club if you're not in one of our clubs. They start as little as $13.99 a month, and that includes a stamp set each month sent to you. Wow. The benefits are amazing. They're absolutely so much fun. 15% off every single order on our website as long as you're a club member. You're going to earn club points. You're going to get freebies every couple months and anniversary gifts if you're in for a full year. So awesome. Go check out our website, thestampsoflife.com, and you know what? Get these items quick because they're so fun. Thanks so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.